Welcome back to Phinys Garage. I'm Gray, and today I just wanted to give you guys a bit of an update on what's going on with the 96 Montero and the 99 Montero. As many of you guys know, I bought this 96 Montero as a parts car for my 99 Montero. Originally, there was nothing wrong with this car except for a bad engine. The previous owner ran the oil out. Why? Why would you do such a thing, ruin such a perfectly good car? Aside from that, it was basically brand new. It still has its dealer plates on there, and the dealer tag in the window fell off, but it has like the license plate number on everything. So the previous owner bought this car, used it on their ranch, and ruined it. But it was a good car to begin with. With that being said, my goal is to part out this car and then take it to the scrapyard and junk it. Because I've pretty much taken all the parts off of it that I needed for my 99 Montero, aside from maybe some parts from the undercarriage and the full exhaust system. I've had a bunch of viewers hit me up on Instagram and in the comments on my videos asking me for car parts. So if you need any parts for a Gen 2, or for Gen 2.5, let me know down below in the comments what you're looking for, or send me a DM on Instagram, tell me what you're looking for, and I'll get those parts shipped out to you. The car's in pretty good condition. It did come from a desert, so it's rust-free. What's been going on with the 99 Montero is we're kind of at a standstill. I do have a video coming out in a couple of days with some more progress on this car, but I just wanted to give you guys a bit of an update because it has been quite a while since I posted a video on it. I am still in the process of installing the carpet. The reason why the carpet is taking so long on this car, so it's about 108 degrees out, no shade, and I'm working by myself. So it's taking quite a bit of a long time to get the carpet fully installed on it. I'm trying to make it perfect. I know things can't be perfect, but I'm trying to the best of my ability to make it as perfect and as factory as possible. I'm currently working on the passenger side of the car. I have my tools out, the cover for the trim panel that goes right there. Just finished tucking it up underneath there. It's looking pretty good. I was going to do the driver's side first because if you look over there, the trim is already back installed on the car. But you're probably wondering, well, Gray, why is the seats not on that side of the car? And that is because, if you guys remember, this driver's side window would not roll up, and you can see even right now, it's partially rolled down. When the previous owner owned the car, they literally left it cracked like that. So a bunch of water kept raining in on the car, and it rusted out the seat rail on the far side towards the outside of the door there. Essentially, I had to cut the seat out of the car because the frame rail was rusted to the floor. It was just stuck. It wasn't coming out. With that being said, I still have to take the rusted seat frame off of the driver's side seat and swap it with the seat frame from the 96 parts car. So I already did the trim panel, and then I realized, wait a second, I cannot put that seat in there yet because I have to switch the seat frame. So I decided, you know what, that's a complicated process. It's going to take me maybe about an hour and a half to do it. Let's do the passenger side carpet and get that all ready because the passenger side and the back side of the car has no seat or rust problems at all. So currently we're just working on this. I've gotten it all trimmed up here. The only thing I have left to do is cut the holes for the seats. I think there's two back there. I don't know what is back there. I'll have to check on the 96 Montero to see what holes get cut back there. But I do know there is one. Let's see. Here's the hump for the AC thing. So I think there's one here on the other on this side, and there's one on over here, one here, and there. So not a lot left, and since it's cooling off, it's going to be easier to finish this off. So you can expect a video in a couple days of us finishing off the passenger side, putting in the passenger seat, and installing the rear seats back into the car. Driver's side, we'll get to that when we get to that. The interior of this car is going to look a little bare still because I'm going to wait to install the center console. Aside from it being absolutely filthy, I want to change out all the cigarette lighters to USB charging ports. Now, I'm not talking about where you plug the cigarette lighter car charger in. I'm talking about like it's literally just the little USB thingy and you plug it in. The center console has two cigarette lighter points. It's got one here, and it's got one, I believe, either on this side or that side. So we're going to change those out with some USB charger ports, and then we'll be able to install the center console back in. I'm also going to get rid of the ashtray that goes somewhere over here and replace it with a storage container. It's going to be custom made, and it's going to look really good. I am going to eventually paint this area. I've been just waiting because lately it's been very, very humid. The grass is all green because it's been raining every single day. And you know, you don't want to paint when there's a high humidity in the air. So now that it's drying out, I'll be able to put some Bondo on that area, do a little bit of body work, and then we'll be able to paint this side of the car. I'm also going to work on the fender as well. We're going to put some Bondo here, obviously after I get the rust off of there, and then prep it and paint it. And that should take care of all the dents on this car. But that's just a little bit of an update on the 99 Montero and the 96 Montero. So remember, if you need parts, let me know down below in the comments or send me a DM on Instagram with what parts you need and I'll go and grab them for you. But thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. If you want to see more videos on the restoration of my 99 Montero or the deconstruction of my 96 Montero, then consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. But until next time, I will see you later. Have an amazing day.